Hey car lovers, have you ever wondered how racing became the pulse-pounding, tire-screeching phenomenon it is today? Let's dive into the riveting history of racing, where it all started and how it conquered the world. It began in the late 19th century, folks. The first recorded race was in 1867, a mere 6 decades after the invention of the steam engine. Picture this, steam-powered autos puffing along a predetermined route from Paris to Rouen in France. It wasn't fast, but boy, it was a start. Fast forward to the early 20th century and we see the birth of Grand Prix racing in Europe. These races weren't just about speed, they were about endurance, mechanical skill, and the sheer thrill of competition. It was in these gritty early days that racing legends began to emerge. Across the pond, America was carving its own path in the racing world with the establishment of the Indianapolis 500 in 1911. Known as the greatest spectacle in racing, the Indy 500 brought a unique blend of speed and drama that captured the imagination of millions. Post-World War II, the scene exploded. Technology advanced, cars got faster, and the stakes got higher. Formula One emerged as the pinnacle of auto racing, with drivers becoming global icons synonymous with speed, glamour, and danger. But it wasn't just about professional circuits. Drag racing, rallying, and stock car racing began to take off, bringing the thrill of racing to the masses. Each form of racing brought its own flavor and excitement, from the quarter-mile showdowns of drag racing to the high-octane chaos of NASCAR. And let's not forget the cultural impact. Movies like Le Mans with Steve McQueen and more recently, Fast and Furious have brought the excitement of racing from the track to the silver screen, igniting the passion of a whole new generation. Today, racing is a global phenomenon, with millions tuning in to watch events from the Monaco Grand Prix to the Daytona 500. It's a testament to the human spirit, the quest for speed, and the relentless pursuit of victory. So, whether you're a die-hard fan or just a casual observer, there's no denying the incredible impact that racing has had on the world. It's more than just a sport, it's a spectacle, a community, and for many, a way of life. Thanks for joining me on this high-speed journey through the history of racing. Until next time, keep your engines revving and your spirits high.